So how do we work with firms and how do we really help you to kind of execute your vision? So we call it hyper learning. So if we break that down, well, let's obviously look at the learning element. So every single business is a learning business. A learning business is one that obviously gathers feedback to either help you to try and improve your processes, improve your products, improve your customer relations, but also to try and stay competitive as well. So this feedback might come from customers, from employees, through product returns, or any issues that may arise. Traditionally, in the past, learning was mostly based upon people's experience and direct feedback with not a lot of help and not a lot of input from technology. Move forward to today and what's available. Technology is now a big part as to how organizations are learning. It helps gather and obviously analyze feedback in more advanced ways, allowing for smarter and faster improvements. There's obviously lots of different feedbacks and learnings that a business can have. So you've obviously got your customer feedbacks, you've got your market trends, so looking at what's popular in the market, and sometimes a lot more important, what are your competitors doing? You've also got your employee insights as well. I know that a lot of companies do a lot of yearly review and yearly feedback forms, and then obviously you've got the likes of your product data as well. So information from your product sales, your returns, or your demands that obviously help you as a business understand what's really resonating with your customers. So then what we look at is you really want to turn that feedback into actionable insights. So today, feedback can be gathered, as we said, from people and also automated sources. Really, we're trying to turn it into useful information that guides your decision making. So we're really trying to quantifying as well that human feedback. So with technology, we can take insights from customers or employees and turn them into data, which helps you as businesses and kind of other organizations rely less on gut feeling, more on solid information. So what you want to try and do, and what we work with all of our clients, is you really want to start to build a model to make smarter decisions. So what we do first of all is you want to build and you want to set up that framework. So organizations can set up models or frameworks that help you to learn from feedback in areas like obviously your pricings or your promotions or the product choices from the consumers. What we then do then is the AI's role or the technology role is to help businesses really see what pricing strategies are working best for them. And then obviously we want to learn from each sale. So we really do break it down to really understand what's working and what's not working so that you can really start to deliver, as we say, the right price at the right time to the right customer. So as I've already talked about, AI is only a tool and it can only work with the data and the way that it's being driven, but also as well as that human insight and that human expertise as well. So it really is about balancing the technology with human insight. So human insight and human expertise is still a key factor into how we work with our clients who are adopting intelligent pricing. People are still needed. Heads of department, managers, directors, price managers, category managers are still needed to guide and also to interpret and then adjust what the technology suggests. If sales targets or if goals aren't being met, this feedback and this insight then goes back into the loop, into the model to then be redefined. As I said, AI, intelligent pricing, is not going to revolutionize your business overnight. It's about learning what's working, what's not working, where are the key areas for improvement in order for you to achieve that short, medium, and long-term objective. So becoming a hyper-learning organization is really about building data-driven processes. For learning to be effective, feedback needs to be captured in a measurable way. Our approach to learning and improving obviously combines the human insights with AI to help businesses rely on more than just instincts, making it easier to adapt even when employees change. And then you need to have that continuity as well through technology. So when the feedback and knowledge are built into the model, a business can really learn and doesn't have to solely rely on what people say it needs to do. So yeah, we really like to work with companies, help them to adopt, as what we call it, that hyperlearning the framework.